Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Laura. Hi, hello, welcome. It has been a long day. I just got off work. I worked a couple hours over when I was supposed to get off, so I have currently been awake since 4 a.m. It is 4:45 on the date that this is posting, Monday, May 9th. I was going to say May 5th. Man, it's been a long day. I just kind of wanted to do a brief introduction to this video. This is going to be my BYOP for the month of May. I'm really excited about this. So first things first, I'm going to just show you a clip, a picture, something is going to go on the screen of how this palette looked last time, fresh, when I first put these shades in, and this is what we are looking like now in the palette. So little spoilers for some projects, little spoilers for things, but that's okay. That's what the beauty of clicking on this video is. So that was my BYOP for the month of April. I had a lot of singles that were in my Pan Those Eyeshadows. I have my year-long project pan, and then I have some other shades that I just kind of wanted to play with over the course of April. And now I'm ready to shop for May. And I know I want at least 2 shades from my NATASHA DENONA Purple Blue palette. I want it in here so I don't have to have a bunch of palettes out on my desk. Man, all of the animals now want to be in this room because I just got home, so everyone's like running to me. Anyway. So I want 2 shades in this to be from my NATASHA DENONA Purple Blue palette that's in my Project Level Up. That way I can continue to hit the pans that I want to hit. I already know what shades I'm going to pull for those. But yeah, let's just go ahead, take everything out. I'm going to reposition the camera and you're going to see an overhead view. But yeah, there is that. All right, so I feel like every time I do one of my build your own palettes, I film them in different locations, like almost every time, like every couple months. It's like, oh, here's a new spot. But for the sake of this video, this is my desk. I want to film this, edit as in smush the clips together, and then post this immediately because I am late in posting my Saturday video to today, Monday. So yeah, I'm not going to dilly-dally too much. I'm just going to empty the shades out of here, put them back where they belong, and then we're going to shop for this. Also, my nails look horrendous. They have been through the ringer with my new job. We're not going to talk about it. Okay? So I just wiped down my magnetic palette, as you saw, and now I just kind of need to fill in the products that I'm using in projects. That includes my year-long project pan shade, my Pan Those eyeshadow shade, and that's it that I want to put in this. All right, but now I can start building my palette, and I'm excited to build this guy. The first thing I want to do is take the shades out of my Purple Blue palette, though, and I think the shades that I want to hit pan on in this, I'm like for sure confident that I want to hit pan in Golden Rose, this guy here, and I'm going to give myself like an easy one, and that's going to be this guy. This is Golden Beige. We're trying to get like a nice L-shaped pan, apparently. All things in this row panned, so that's okay. Those 2 shades are going to go into my BYOP, and that's all I'm going to pull out for this. And now that we have that going on, I can pick more shades, and I'm super excited to do this. I'm like actually very excited about this. I think I want to pick this guy, which is Keep Scrollin' by ColourPop. I think that this would complement the Pan Those eyeshadow shade and my shade Destiny in my Pan That palette. I think that I will be able to get a lot of use out of that shade in my Pan That palette if I incorporate something like this to pair with Destiny. I'm pretty sure. I want to bring this one out. This is a Juvia's Place Depotted and Repanned shade from the Deuce palette. This is the shade Custard. So I'm going to bring this guy out as well. That'll also pair really well like this shade looks so pretty with purples like that, so I'm excited to pair those two together. I'm trying to think of what I'm panning in my Pan Those eyeshadows as well. I definitely feel like I need a matte cream kind of shade, and you can't see me picking this, but I am going to pull just, no, that's a little too light. Yeah. I'm going to pull this, another depotted repanned shade from my Juvia's Place Deuce palette. This is the shade Berry Mousse. What else do I, like, kind of want to wear right now? I think I'm good with, like, pinky neutrals. I was almost thinking about pulling an orange, but I don't know if I really want to dedicate the time on an orange right now. Like, I don't know if that's really, like, my vibe that I want to wear. I think I'm going to pull this, though. This is Bunny by Glaminatrix. It's, like, another, like, super soft duochrome blue to gold, but really light, really pretty. I think this will pair with some of the shades that I still have to wear in Project Level Up. So I want to pull, oh gosh, oh my gosh, that could have been so bad. These shades from Glamnetics are super delicate. That could have been really sad for me. Maybe this. I don't really give this shade a whole lot of love, and I don't think I've ever actually put it on my eyes. So I think I'm going to pull this guy. This is a Kristen Lee cosmetic shade in Mother Nature, and I think that would pair really well with the greens that we're working on, and that is my slightly hodgepodge version of a BYOP for the month. And I'm actually like I'm very excited about these shades. I think these are super pretty. I'm excited. I am looking forward to putting all of these on my eyes. All right. I'm going to swatch these, and after that, it's going to just be the end of the video. So I hope you guys are staying healthy, sane, and safe. Stay tuned for swatches. If not, I'll catch you later. Bye.